Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to build a panel in your comic book, how to add layers so that it's got some depth and things going on. So we're going to do another outside scene in this panel. I'm going to click to add, and then I want, like, let's say I'm looking for a blue sky. I'll just show you how I found it in the other panel. Once you create one, though, you can copy and paste, which they actually call duplicate. So I just type in sky because I figure that's easiest. And then I found this and I liked it. So I click it and then I might want some clouds. So I'm going to go back up. I don't think I need stormy clouds, although these might be. No, I don't want that. Maybe I just want this cloud right here. So now I have two items selected. I like that sun. So 3 items, and I'm going to click add because I'm done. All right, so first thing I want to do, the cloud is, where's the cloud? The cloud, oh, he might be right there. Yep, there's the cloud. Okay. It's hard to tell when it's white. All right, so I'm going to move the sky, and it's okay if it bleeds on your line a little bit. And to make him about the same as that one over there, which actually I have two skies right there. I might do that again. So I come down from here, I come down to duplicate. I click that, and I don't like the edges of that, so I'm actually going to flip it, just what I did on the other one as well. Okay, so then you have your sky. Now you're ready to put your cloud on it. And your cloud, if you'll notice over here in the panel, is not on top of these guys. He's below it. So when I click off of him, he's going to disappear. But fear not, he's still right here in the side panel. So I can go and move him to the top, and you'll see that's how you do the front to back. And I'm going to have to do the same thing with Happy Mr. Sun Guy because he's going to disappear, be a little transparent. And boom, there he is. Now that grass, super cool. Still going to add. I'm going to type in grass, do a search because I find it's much easier to do it this way. And there's lots of grasses to choose from and some animation. And see, that one's kind of cool. I put that one on a bank once when I did a cartoon strip or a Bob Ross thing. But I like this one. You could do that one too. I like it too, but not for my comic book. I'm going to keep it to just, I don't know why it's tilting because I grabbed the wrong thing. Boom. And maybe to keep this symmetrical, I'm going to flip that too so it's a mirror image of the one right there, the other panel. And then that might help me out. Might make it look cool because it's such a computer. Sorry, my computer's going a little cray. All right, here we go. So now I'm going to bring it in, hit the edge. Boom, now I have grass. Oops. We don't technically want them touching. Okay, let's see if I can get a hold of the grass. Yes, I can. Back her on up. So it's not actually crossing over that line. Okay, I click off of it, then there you go. I have my blue sky, I got a cloud, and then how did I add trees? Well, guess what? I went over here and I clicked in trees. And I got some. You're going to start off with some weird stuff, and then if it looks like this, it might be animated. Ooh, what does an animated tree do? Maybe I want to click an animated tree. Ooh, I like this one. I'm going to click this tree and add it because I just want to see what it does. Sometimes if you look over here on your side panel, it might take a while to load, so don't panic. And then it's going to come over here. So that is how you do it. I am going to go ahead and stop now. And if you have any questions, please let me know.